Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a thrift store haul. I thought I'd share with you so then I can put it away. It's in my way to organize. So this is from St. Vincent de Paul, Goodwill, St. Vincent de Paul. We went to a couple different St. Vincent de Paul. We have 3 in town, so we went to all 3. And I can't remember which was which, but this is the only thing I picked up at Goodwill. It was $4.99. I thought it was cool, and I wanted it. Okay, I'm just gonna share. I thought it was kind of cool. Got these little plastic headstones. I don't know what they were from, if they were like a little candy thing, but you got them. Oopsie, here's a back one. That's kind of cool. Then they had these ones in there. I'm gonna doctor them off. So you have Rest in Peace, Beware, I'll Be Back, Scary, Rest in Peace, I'm a Gull, Biddy of Snake, Dr. Dracula, and Diane Riot. I don't know. And then this is what oh, here's another one. We'll Be Back. And then a little bag. Oh, it had candy in there. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of them. That's probably what was in these. Little bone candy heads, betcha. But they're still cute. And then I wanted the skulls is what I wanted. I've been looking for little skulls like this size. So got them. And it was a purple. And purple was discounted, but I don't remember because it first started at $4.99. And then it was discounted. So I don't know what that ended up being. So got that at Goodwill. And then I was walking around the store and some guy's looking at craft stuff and he goes, I got some brushes I need to sell, he says. Can I have them if you're interested for $5? I'm like, what do they look like? So he brought them back. Me and Diamond walked out to his car. Look at this. I know they're like big. Look at, I don't even think they've been used. And if they were used, they were well taken care of. $5. I mean, they're pretty long, but I'll still use them. They are a brand called Kormaya. So I paid $5 for them. I'll give them. I gave him the $5. He was happy. So his and then I got this. The guy threw it in there. I don't get it. It says printables. Print the name on a stocking. So I have no idea. Then I thought these were interesting. National Geographic's $3.50 a year, 50-cent copy. December 1938. And look at it. It's black and white. Most of it. I thought, oh my god, I've never seen where there's black and white images in colored in National Geographic 1938. This one's 1939. This one is 1939. This one is 1940. These are in good shape for the year they're. And then 1936. So I grabbed them. And I found this one. I thought this was cool. I like art magazines. the or saw. I thought it was kind of cool. I like the images. Whoops. It's art, people. I got that also. I just thought it was cool. So I picked that up. And then I got this for a project. You will see in the future. Bought this because I want a sheet, and then when Demi went and grabbed me a sheet because I told her to go get me a sheet. This is what she bought me back. But I need to make a ghost anyways. And it actually, I don't know, giant pillowcase or something. Because it's all together as one. So that's going on a ghost out of my front yard. Got that. Another box of file folders. I always pick them up when I see them. Brand new. Whoa! Sorry. Yeah. These were. Oh, excuse me. I bought these. I thought they're kind of cool. That. And then, hang on, I got more. Got these little beads for a dime. Put butterflies in there, hearts in there. And then, for some reason, they had these stamps in a 10-cent bin. And I even asked, I brought the whole basket up, and they gave them to me for 10 cents. Got that one. I got that one. Got a little gingerbread. Peace and joy and love. Too cool. And then this one, it's like a little cute little girl. I'm going to take the sticker off. And that one. It's only 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 cents. So I got them for 60 cents. And then Diamond grabbed this, hoping I could. It was too small for her, but she loved the lace on it. And if I could do something with it to somehow make it, but she don't need it anymore because she found something else. So I'm gonna rate it. She only paid $1 for it, but look at that lace on there, and then the bustier. She paid $1 for it. What size is this? She might want a size 10. Oh, might fit Allie. Maybe I'll have to ask her tomorrow. She wants to hang on to it for Allie. I mean, it's pretty. Get this little thing somehow. Got that. And then she also grabbed this. I don't know what she wants me to do with this, but nothing else. It's pretty lace. I'll use it on some other project. It's size 12. So I don't know. It's pretty. It ain't gonna fit me. That's my big haul, guys. But, ooh. thought I'd share this tonight so then I can put it all away and have room tomorrow to have my desk cleared off and get you guys those orders I bought from the sale today in order and your totals. So I want to thank you guys for coming in and watching the video and the sale earlier. It was a good success, and I want to thank each and every one of you once again, and thanks for watching tonight, guys. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.